right side of the trap. In front of that is a rock. It was named after the first editor of the Washington newspaper, Mungus Laus, published in the late 1800s. The way they used to get the paper down from the summit was on a double shingle or slide board. There was a moderator.
Let's see what we can see up there. Over here. Nice. Whoa! Careful, quicker, girl. Come on, Thomas.
This thing was my grandmother's funeral. Did you tell you about this? Remember how hot it was that day? We drove. Freddie volunteered to drive my father.
You clicked it. Look, you want your Barbie bag? You having fun?
Hey, no, I want to take a picture. No.
Yeah. Get up high. Ugh.
People don't.
Can you believe we took the train over?
Way more.
There's so many rocks. No, I don't. Okay, well, then we pick one. Pick one. Well, I don't want a pocket full of rocks. Which one do you like the best?
And then you got to dress up.
And they pull. One time, jumping over something at her.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice
You holding on? Good job. I'm on hot lips. Stomp his feet like this?
No.
Oh, like that? Oh, Huh? Did he shake his head? He's shaking the flies off.
Okay, I found a big rock.
You did?
Yeah.
Can you wave to Daddy?
Hi, Daddy.
Alright, don't throw any more rocks now.
Wow.
Because Daddy's getting too close. No, thank you. You don't want to go swimming with Daddy? Daddy's hunting for rocks. Oh, there he goes.
Hey, Taylor.
I'll be in. You keep relaxing. I'm right over there.